Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Shetty. I stay in Bombay. Academically, I am a chemical engineer, a BTech chemical engineer. I started my career as a digital marketer way back in 2011. By then, social media was in its very nascent stages, I would say. And it is then at 2010, I got my very first book published. I'm a writer by hobby and a philanthropist by passion. During that time, I was introduced to the market of social media and how a brand can be created, or rather how a writer can be termed as an author by the help of social media. It took me efforts, I self-learned things, it took me efforts, but slowly and steadily I learned the integrities of how products work or how a brand can be created in the digital space. From publishing, I switched on to a biotech product manufacturing company, worked there as digital marketing manager. Then I moved on to a cybersecurity company. Post then I moved on to a company who was into digital intelligence, and currently I am heading the digital function of an IT company based out at Bombay itself. Well, this is about a small introduction about me. Let me talk more about eClickCart as the venture what I want to introduce you to all. eClickCart, I founded eClickCart in 2018. eClickCart was founded on the simple principle of raising products as donations and not money. It is easy for any person to donate money, but it is very difficult for a person to trust whom the money is being donated to. Well, eClickCart has transparency as one of its primary principles, wherein if a product has been listed or if it has been raised by anyone, eClickCart supports that campaign and delivers the product on their behalf to the ones in need. Well, that being said, how it started is a very interesting story. There is one story. I was in second standard. Once I was returning from school. I was returning from school. So I saw one lady in a very dire condition. I didn't know what to say. I was not able to articulate my feelings back then, since I was very small. I started incessantly crying at home. I didn't even know how to express my feelings at that point in time. And after hours and hours of consoling by my mother, she was able to understand that what is bothering me. I was not able to bear the sight of one homeless female who is hungry. She immediately helped me up, cooked the food immediately and fed that female. I still can't forget the smile that she had on her face after she was fed the food. The kind of satisfaction that gave me, I look out for that kind of satisfaction. So eClickCart, initially I started eClickCart with a simple motive to educate people, or to educate the ones in need. I am also a member of Niti Aayog's AIM movement, that is Atal Innovation Movement. It is an initiative by Government of India, wherein I had visited a school in Dhule, and wherein I found that the school is in dire need of just not only infrastructure but also simple things like pencil and a book. So I raised certain books and certain pencils using this platform, donated to them, and this is an ongoing campaign on eClickCart's website. One day I saw one homeless person, again hungry. Got some food, fed it to him. Satisfaction was, I can't express the kind of satisfaction in words. Then way back in 2020, pandemic hit us, and it is then eClickCart rose to its true potential and its true colors. We saw a whole set of migrant workers migrating from point A to point B, hungry, homeless, jobless, don't know what the future is in stake for them. So I initiated a campaign initiated a campaign wherein donors can donate grocery products, grocery items as a grocery kit, which was then distributed to the migrant workers. Just not that, I was also able to help people or families, I would say, whose source of livelihoods are solely dependent on festivities. For example, Ganpati idol makers, Durga idol makers. It is during this pandemic even festivities were not spared, and the source of livelihood for these families were also put at stake. Again, we were able to raise a considerable amount of grocery products for these families, wherein we fed them again. Which again taught me to think, if anybody is in need, how can I use this platform? And since during the initial stages when everything was under complete lockdown, schools were closed, roads were empty, education was one of the major concerns for me, because I've been working in the sector of education since a long time. I didn't know how to educate these students, and during these lockdown times, education became online as rest of the other things did. And the basic necessity for an online education is a smartphone. Now, how do you expect a person who is just hand to mouth or who is just struggling for his livelihood to invest in a smartphone? So I took up this initiative on my own. I raised another campaign on eclipcart.com and set a target for myself to raise around 100 phones. But even it is difficult for a middle class person in India to invest 15-20,000 in one transaction to donate a smartphone. So for which we had a solution, we had a unique solution wherein if you sign up with us, we will procure the phone for the ones in need, and you need to just pay 12 equal easy installments in terms of 1,725 rupees every month for a period of 12 months. And with the first transaction, we procured the phone and gave it to the ones who are in need to complete their education. So we didn't have a steep goal. We had a goal of around to raise 100 phones, but we are able to raise only 6 phones by this process. Well, talking about my inspiration, my idol, I consider Mr. Ratan Tata as one of my idols and one of the inspirations whom I look up to. It is during in a recent day, Mr. Ratan Tata drove all the way down to Pune to meet one of his, I won't say colleague or friend, I would say one of his family members who was ailing since past 2 years. Why did I say family members? Is because if you are not empathetic towards the people whom you have worked with, you are not a person of dignity, I would say. There are many things that I have learned from Mr. Ratan Tata as well. Mr. Ratan Tata says in one of his interviews, if you want to walk far, you walk alone. Or rather, sorry, let me correct it. If you want to walk fast, you have to walk alone. If you want to walk far, walk together. And it is this attitude of Mr. Ratan Tata, he sees this thing in himself, that he wants to walk far with people that whom he has worked with. Yes, this applies to me as well. I can walk fast wherein I am alone, but I can't walk far unless and until I have people support, or rather empathetic people who support various causes. So I am looking forward for people's support to help me in the venture of eClipCart, so that I could raise more and more campaigns and as a result help the ones in need. A simple example of this is, you just need to go on the website of www.eclipcart.com, sign up, create a campaign. There's an option where you can create a campaign, give us the details about the campaign that you want to create, and we would initiate the campaign immediately on the website. Transparency is one of the key factors, or rather principles, of eClipCart. So anytime any transaction takes place, the donor or or the person who has initiated the campaign would come to know about the details of it. And once when the duration is ended, eClickCart will procure all the materials, all the products of the campaign and get it delivered to the person who has raised the campaign. That's all I would like to say. Thank you.